Hello friends, myself Amrish from Uplates Digital Marketing Training Program Providers, and today I am going to explain you a lot of things about the search engines. In my previous class, I told you a lot of things about the digital marketing, means what is the digital marketing, what are the components of digital marketing, why digital marketing is required, and what is your future and career in digital marketing. So now it's time to start with very essential and important part of digital marketing, that is search engine. There are a lot of search engines in the market that we are known and unknown. A few we are using, but today I am starting with the search engines details. Means what is the search engines? Search engine has a proper definition, and that I want to share with you. A web search engine or internet search engine is a software system. You must think about this. It's a software system, means it runs with a particular software program. It executes with the program, it runs with the program, and it's all about a software system. So there is no human interaction in the search engine, means the ranking ups and down, comes and out is only based on the software system. So there is no any human error, there is no any human interaction in the search engine. So a web search engine or internet search engine is a software system that is designed to carry out web search. Is whatever you are typing in your search box, then you find the result. Out web search means internet search, which means to search the world wide web in a systematic way for a particular information specified in a textual web search query. Means whatever you are searching is having some meaning, and you want related information with your particular search query. So this is the liability and the responsibility of search engine, that it give you systematic way for a particular information that is really useful for you. Now again we move toward the search engines, means what more in the search engine. So the information may be a mix of link to web, means when I navigate to a search engine, then I explain you that what type of the results you are seeing. So it is the mix of links, means it is not only associated with text content. The search engine result having the images, videos, infographics, article, research paper, and other type of files. Some sections also mine data available in database or open directories. Here two terms has to be pointed out: database and open directory, that I will explain in the same. So the basic philosophy of search engine is this: provide you very concrete information, very relevant information, and very proper information whatever you are searching. So search engines primary goal is to satisfy with the content, with the infographics, with the video, whatever search engine having in their database or in their related information database, provide you whatever you are asking. So search engine also maintain real-time information by running an algorithm on a web crawler. The word web crawler is very important, that I will explain in the next class. So here I am again taking the two words, that is the database and open directory. Search engines are of the two types: one having their own database, and second is taking the data from the various open directories. Do you know when the first search engine launched? No idea? No problem. First search engine is launched in 1993, and I am just navigating you with the journey of search engine. But before that, I want to share you few things that a search engine having. Means whenever you are searching over the search engine, what type the result you are seeing. I am just navigating you to Google, not any other search engine. Why Google? I will tell you in just a few minutes. So I am navigating you over the Google. Now here we are on the Google, and I am just going to start a query like whatever I am searching before some time. I am seeing here that there are a lot of search queries are suggested by the Google. Now I am going to Nifty Sensex stock. Nothing to worry. You see the results. In the my session, I told you that Google means search engine is offering you a lot of information. Either it is article, its image, its video, its research paper, whatever it has related with your query will show definitely. So now starting with here, issue stock BSE, it also suggests a lot of things that are associated with this. Now top stories means this is the related with the news. This is the web search means the related websites, and we move to the videos. We are seeing here video. We can see that search engine is suggesting that people also ask what is, how can, what are, which are. So here you can see there is an option of feedback. You can ask to the search engine that what is the reason of this. News sites there, images, here it is, and again search engine suggesting you a lot of queries that are really associated with your query. Means this query is not actually unique. A lot of people are things and lot of people has searched previously. So search engine is assuming that if you are not satisfied with the result associated with search query, then might be you will search next with the help of these queries. So here search engine is giving you a complete information that I told you. Now one thing I told you that search engine also giving some real-time data. Real-time data means I am navigating you here. This is the tool, and anytime and all result. You can see anytime here the past 1 hour, past 24 hour, past week, past month, past year. Means if you want any recent update about a particular information that happened within a last 1 hour, you can also find it. All results instead of all results, you can define the different types. So I will take this point in the next session because it required some more time. So this is the time to explain you about the search engines. So this is one of the search engine that's called Google, and why I started Google I tell you in a next slide, means just a few minutes. Other than Google there are a lot of the search engine, so I am just navigating you to the session where I am explaining the entire journey of search engine, means why the search engine investigated, why the people research over the search engine, and what is the reason of search engine. So just a moment, I am navigating here. Search engine's concept is actually not a new concept. It's the very well-known concept of our day-to-day life. Means whenever you reach to any library, it has the lot of books as per the subject, as per the class. Means they categorize the books and placed on a particular almirah. Means if you want the philosophy books, you can go to the particular area where you can find the books of the philosophy. If you are looking for a book for a particular class, then again it is defined that you can go to that area where the as per the class standard you can find the books. On the basis of this, when the internet is very popular among the people, a few people started business and start listing over the internet. Means they want to expand their business and make a wider reach among the people who need their jobs. So with this philosophy, a few webmaster launch online directories. Means the concept of library is came on the online. Means you can list your business, you can list your product and services in these directories as per the categories, as per the location. Means if you are looking a plumber in a particular area, then you can go to the area wise. But if you are looking a service that is online as per the category, you can go to the tag. On the basis of the first search engine, or we can say open directories, is W3 catalog. W3 is means for the World Wide Web. So they started first W3G catalog, and its name you can think it's catalog. Means the concept is came from the library, so they place the particular word catalog here. Then Alibaba, then Jump Station and www Warm. Now, as of now, W3C catalog and AliWeb are still working as a directory, but Jump Station and www Warm is inactive now. Here, I place I in the bracket. Those search engine or directories are not in active position. So you can see that web crawler is still here. The word web crawler, I told you in the last a few minutes that it's a very important point. So it is important because web crawler's concept is still working with the search engines. Before some time, a directory, its name was web crawler. Now, so that is actually still having some significance, because the software of search engine is crawling one web to second web to third web with the help of internal or external linking. So that's crawling actually still exists. Go.com is now inactive. Lycos, Infoseek, and the Lycos was actually the first search engine that I used in my class 10th. When I was in class 10th, and I was used Lycos as a search engine to find some information over the internet. In 1995, Yahoo launched its search engine. Before that, Yahoo was the very good service provider of various different things. But now, today, Yahoo is still search engine, but other than search engine, it's treated as a news portal and email provider. So there are a lot of search engines came and a lot of inactive, and some is direct and redirect to other search engines like AltaVista launched in 1995, but it's not sustain itself and redirect to Yahoo. Metacrawler is also a kind of search engine, but it's directly search engine. And Metacrawler is also very important because in the search engine history and the search engine's environment, the Metacrawler is a recent time crawler that crawled the meta text over your websites. So in 1996, RankDex, it's now inactive. Dogpile, Intcomi, Hotbot, Ask Jeeves, 1997, AOL is still working because it's American Online, Netfind, Northern Light, Yandex. In 1998, this is the time when Google launched. There is a very, very important story with the Google. There are the two best friends, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, were in the study. Then they think a different type of the concept, and on that concept the Google is still working. The concept is voting, means the particular website gains as much as vote, it will rank, and that vote is called backlinks. But there are a lot of few algorithm changes down a little that backlink concept, but it's run actually still. The basic philosophy in the ranking term for the Google is backlinks. In the same time, MSN, that's a Microsoft Network, launched its MSN search. So when I started my career, then there was a three major search engine: Google, Yahoo, and MSN. We called it GYM, means Jim. In 1919, Geninos, Never, Thuma, Alta, All the Web. In year 2000, Vedu is a search engine that launched by the China, and Gigablast. 2006, nothing special come in the market, but there is Chacha.com and Ask.com is a very good search engine at that time. But Microsoft Network changed its name from MSN Search to Live Search. They sustained this name for the next 2 or 3 years, and in the 2009, the Live Search again changed to the Bing. Now I told you these all the stories just to recall how many search engines are there in the market, but how many you remember. You remember only 1, 2 or 3 or any other than these. So here is a very small assignment for you. You have to write down all the search engines those you are used till the time, why you use, and what type of the results you find with these search engines. One assignment is this, and second assignment is this: you have to find out all the search engines since 1993 and 2020 and write down the name of search engine, the country from where this launched, the owner of search engine, and the search philosophy, means on which philosophy this search engines provide us the results, means directory based, database, link based, or any other things. Now the question is again come to your mind, then why I am more emphasized over the Google, Yahoo, and now it's a time of Bing? Because these three major search engines are the market dominating. Do you know the share of Google in the search engine market and Yahoo and Bing? It's really very amazing. So I am just going to bring Google, Yahoo, and Bing. These are the major search engine, and in these major search engine only Google is the best search engine because its core focus is about the result query. Google is the only search engine that update its algorithm time to time to give the best, appropriate, and concrete result to its users. Google is the search engine that's very serious about the information what it is providing. Google is the search engine that actually think with the way by which you are thinking, means if you are searching any query, Google want to know the motive behind your query, means what do you want with the help of this query. So now I am just giving you a small glimpse of the Google, Yahoo, and Bing. These all the search engines are very good search engine. As of now, the Google is a separate search engine and Yahoo and Bing search are merged, means the result of Yahoo and Bing are very similar, means they collapse their database and giving the similar type of the results. They are only different in the ad marketing, means the paid marketing is different on the Yahoo and different in the Bing. So now it's the time that I show you why I said that Google is the best search engine. Now I'm navigating you in the next thing. Here I'm saying you the search marketing share of Google. The search marketing share of Google is as of now 86.02%. Means 86 people out of 100 are looking their information with the help of Google. They are not thinking about the Bing, they are not thinking about the Yahoo. So where you will focus, if a client is come to you and ask you, I want business from the search engine, so you suggest me which search engine is the best. So it's your duty that you explain him the role, the play, the significance of search engine. You especially guide him that, sir, if you go with the Yahoo or Bing, you can gain only 7 to 8% out of 100, but if you go with the Google, then there is a possibility that you gain more than 80 people out of 100, means 86 people out of 100 are looking at the Google. And I already explained you a brief thing that why Google's results are very good other than search engines, because Google is totally focused about the search results. Google's prime focus is this, to give you the best outcome. Google is the search engine who is thinking about the various prospects, means provide you video, provide you image, provide you news, provide you research paper, whatever it finds related with your search query is delivered to you before the search engine result pages. So now one more things I here want to explain you, the term web crawler. What is the actually web crawler? I glimpsed you in before few minutes, but here I am again specified. Web crawler is a crawler, or we can say the search engine bot. It's kind of robot that move one website and collect the data. Here the responsibility of web crawler is this, to find out the data and place all the things in the database of search engine. So this crawler is actually the navigator of search engine to find the information from day to day crawling, day to day updates, and each and every website. So now here again I am just bring you over the Yahoo and Bing, that what type of the search query you can find and how do you use the search engine in better way. Means search engine is actually a tool that used by everyone, but as a digital marketing person, what type of the changes you can make search engines so get a very good results. So just a minute, I am moving. Now we are on the yahoo.com, and at this time you see here it's uk.yahoo.com. Means whatever you are searching here, it provide you the result. Those are very close to the UK. When you scroll it down, you see that the news is coming from the UK. These all the information you are seeing here is related with the UK. But if you change here, like here you change US, now you see the result, changes in the result. That's actually very important for you. You can see the entire results has been changed. So this is a few things that you need to know as a digital marketing. Means what kind of the changes is possible in the search engine so that you can find the different results. So here you can see a lot of things. Those are directly related with the USA. Now here nothing available about the UK, and if I am change here US to IN, means India, then you find all the results again change. The result is directly associated with the India. Now this is the news related with the Kerala. Everything is changed here. So these things you have to know in the search engine. Now I am navigating you to Bing. Bing is another very good search engine, and you think the Yahoo is really not very serious about the search engine results, because it also looks like a news portal. You can see a lot of things like news. Means there is only simple search word that we see in any website, and the rest things are just a news portal. You can see the news related with the finance and this thing. Now we are on the Bing. By default Bing is open. Now we see here, come here, and here there is a lot of things we can see. It is this part of setting. In the setting you can change the language, you can change the country, region, location. Now I am changing country from here, and you see the result. As of now I set the country India. Now I am changing it to the United States, this, and you see the entire things change. The result what we were seeing is changed. Now this all is changed. In a last session you see there are a lot of languages clicks are coming, like Hindi, English, Urdu, like this. Now entire news suggestions are changed, everything is changed. Now again I come to here and change the setting with the USA to UK, then again the results change. Now I am going to search here things like this is the corona time, so corona related information. Let's see what it see. Whatever it see is really associated with the United States. You can see coronavirus disease to it is government, means USA. Whatever we are seeing is actually associated with the USA. But if anyhow we change the setting, this Microsoft Networks Bing is really chasing the Google. It take the concept anytime. It added the concept image, video, map, news, shopping, etc. Means Bing is a search engine that actually trying to merge both the search engine Yahoo and Bing, Yahoo and Google. It want to show both type of the activities. Means if you came to the home page of this Bing, you see very seriously that first scroll, it looks like Google, but after some time, or you can see this little below, it looks like Yahoo. So Bing is actually the combination of Google and Yahoo, but I suggest the Google is the best search engine because it has the very big market share. 86% is really a very big amount. So here the session is about to complete, but I again bring you here that search engine marketing share is saying that this is really a very big gap, and I don't think that in the next a lot of years this gap will be fulfilled, because Baidu is the search engine of China, having the very good amount of the population, but still is not gaining the search share of 1%. Even the people of China is actually, if they use the Baidu, then this is the really a very big number because the population is very high. Around I don't so they are using actually. A lot of people are using the Google there. So here I give you a complete guidelines about the search engine, about the philosophy of search engine, but in the next session I start with the social media. And the concept of search engine is very easy. People get the correct information from the various source of information that are really very tough to reach by a particular person. The concept of search engine is very easy, and today it is the requirement of every human being. Whatever you are doing, whatever you are looking, whatever you want, a search engine is the primary for you. Thank you for staying with me. Myself Amrish Srivastava from Uplates, and in the next session I will move to the social media. Means what is the social media, what is the role of social media, how many times of the social media sites, how do you use these social media sites for the marketing purpose, growing business purpose, and what is the actual philosophy behind every social media like Facebook, like Twitter, like Instagram and others. Because social media is one of the best media of the marketing, because every day there are a lot of people are coming, enjoying, engaging each other and reading the content, watching the content, and even understand the content, because social media is a place where people are staying for a long time. The per day around 2 to 3 hours people are spending over the social media. So social media is really a very wonderful place to promote your business, but it's depend over the business to business and target audience, that which kind of the target audience is over placed on the social media. Means if it is youngster, then there is a different, politician then different, businessman then it's different. So in the next session I will move with the social media. Thank you for staying with me. Myself Amrish from Uplates. Thank you.